Well, I was here and Yawada, and Dr. Yamponyanko Asisi, Bionsu, Gugu, Minim Regional, or Minim Bebia, or show you Fiba, Mijis and Sione Gugu, Bibia Boko, Emfa Asedama, or Chidiamponyanko, Meaning the Quasias and Mpensenpensemu, Yadebro, Indica Emfa Aseda, Emma, Hepa Plus Mixture, Franco Trading Enterprise, CD Herbal, and a Kel Chocolate toothpaste. I want to say, I see the Mpensenpensemu. Bro, or my Henekabra Santi, baby, I will be asomdwe and count. And I know pay a better come on from the camp of the NDC, the Greater Accra Regional Secretary, Honorable Theophilus Adjei. What's I say? The counterparts from the MPP, Onyambedu, definitely may introducing and I feel also joining discussion. Honorable Adjei, member Kwaba Bibia Boko there. NDC, and Emma saying.
Adom Bibia Boko.
Master, internal elections in Acho.
Yegusu kakranka nyame ya aduma ebia by June all things being equal no yebeye branch elections.
Oh, okay.
On say NDC there when it comes to reorganization now yempese controversies ebeba we share near so MPP for branch elections now and then ama party no atitia pansana NDC yem makwama sa nyama na NCC esan say yen yegide ni say as party members no e was say yema obia equal opportunity nti no party na take steps say no yeah replacement of membership cards san say yen nyina no legally for now no yen qualified members of the party.
Oh, okay.
Because yeah, you know, in
my term of office.
Yes, and I was a year renew membership, no. And the process no so ana, you know, you go say no. Omo issue membership cards no. After maybe May 15th. After May 15th, no, so no party no edin share for ebeba.
Okay.
Now after you issue membership card number on, I was so to reduce. And I do so no, yeah, well, this in arrears from 2021. And these are all legal issues. I was as party members, no, yet to me a meeting.
Okay.
And also now your party penny for a good success. Method no I slow, but
I'll be back because opposition party by this time.
Exactly.
My organization.
Yeah, person yet to Yanyame ye. Namia Aduma, Bibia, because
still our grounds in yes, our
you have a cost of fine.
Yeah. Anyway, he entered so saying I buy or share the ministries Mokoshi the Labor and Employment Ministry, it could be Ministry of Finance, it could be CLOSAC or National Labor Commission, Neutrality Allowance, and they are saying say up to Friday the Omonim said they will bring closure to this matter. This whole issue of neutrality allowance, what do you make of it?
Yo, first of all, no maminchia enyuanu mu bia mutai ehwe mu program yi. Antichristi minimisa no pay oti TV ho a wo hwe yen. Nyame nhira o. Sama boy for nyina mechi o mu nyina, especially mu viewers o mo Western Enclave, you know. Mu support wo hono mu na so pa. Nti miso microphone bebre e wo hono mu. Nti me ba studio normally mpese mechi o mu. Any party for nyina no pay mechi am. Assembly that was last Tuesday, right? Namu Asempa. Okay. On this particular CLOSAC issue. Na me personal opinion ewo issue we ni say sabi in quote me hu mfunso aso CLOSAC for omaye.
Really?
Yeah. At the ground here American church say me nim for so mfunso omaye ni say sabi omankasa mo ankotro krata say aban jitum say odi sai sky ebemaye. But labor unions no naturally no omu hie bibia omu ni aban panyinfo enokot tanasi anameboa. Na ade ba kwa we say nyina ye hu zini say oman ni sika no abansem na sika ne hye
yeah
wo tax a wo tua bi de na metua no ne nyina ye boaboa no a ye de ma aban na aban e de ye adwuma e de boa oman no enti yemfa ne se we bi adwuma wo workers a wo ni omu ye adwuma wo worker no anase wo employee no nyama bi wo hono ma wo be pese wo be ye ama workers eno no eye wankasa wo pe e bia wo fi se adwuma no e koso nti o ma menye bibi na me fa mwom workers no nso no a mu ye adwuma no omuso omuhwe ne e koso na omuhwe se nyama bi wo hono ma anke wo se ye mfa maye ba ye mfa maye nti ye beba wo nchen as employer na ye nu abeden abesusum se ye hia ade ewe udi maya ebeboa ye adwuma na ye no se closak for edi saa nhihye no abetu aban panyifo anima boni be no maye omunye boni in the sense say the decision to accept and answer reject no lies with government. It doesn't lie with closak. It doesn't lie with the unime because they decide to me no ama Ministry of Finance. They decide to me no ama Minister Obelidi. They decide to me no ama Fair Wages Commission. Any other institutions are you can't salary issues and allowances issue are directly involved.
Okay.
Na minya closak for any aban akotanase. Sabi enye se omuko espango aban ekon.
Honorable, the time I'm more aban mo na neutrality allowance na wo ho.
The min TBB sada. First time
but na more allowance bi a motivate you almost say be your mon join.
Mami can be venture. Oh, the essence of a single spine was to bring all salaries allowances together as a block. Since be ya yen call for and way koji say na we koji see na the imbalances in the salary structure no eba. Ube bisa who say how many years now yeah implementing a single spine? Why are all these imbalances still prevailing? You bisa as a question, you know. Oh, you bisa as a question, you know. But onim allowances ankasa se na city no enhance worker future friends living. It's just for the present. Because who say we a worker na we ye adwuma. Bebia usika ebe kwa edi mfaso ebe broad achi no. Eye sa basic salary na ya di ma.
Yeah.
Nti ya fani say bia mi basic salary eye 9,000. Ne bia mi allowances eye 24,000. Se ene mi call retirement sika aban edi be mame ebe sustain me till time e bia Nyankopon ebe frame me no will be based on sa 9,000 meji no.
Yeah.
It is 24,000 ye di mame as allowances no. Within that period no say masena eno anu no. Whoa. And you know what we should be fighting for is improvement in our basic salaries because no ubenya ehun snit contributions are it will near to the benefit of the but yen fa no into nchen omuko negotiation table no
yeah
why and any omuko negotiate here anya sabi officers bi keke but government nankasa no ni crème de la crème nkofo owo gidie wo mumu say eba negotiations are omu ene wo say omu gina aban anemu honorable Osafo Mafo on only the delegation you know as in any special assistance count finance ministry abina a friend saying Asari deputy finance minister account fair wages commission ediom lawyers akuku down e kan sa negotiations no enti closak for no ejumadi omukodi ye no mfunso be na omaye menua se me oni me ye ejuma na me feel say e was say mami clothing allowance mami clothing allowance na me feel say ejuma ya mi ye de bia mi ti set so I was say all the time me looking very pleasant to the viewers. Now me ba won chen say employer mami clothing allowance. It is up to you to decide say I don't deserve clothing allowance.
No, but honorable, in the first place it wasn't necessary to begin this whole discussion, say, because as part of ethics,
ethics,
a code of conduct, as civil servant, as a closak member, no, you are not supposed to do politics. And this are
me organization, institutions, issues of politics,
no, you can't. But to engage in active politics, of course, issues of politics, yes, a family.
Court, I must some ruling on some aspect of it. Exactly. Until nothing or modi call honomo. And I may can say, una ukra or mine sika. Omo a friends or share, right?
Yeah.
I'm beto so. They came to you asking for something na omo feel say per dibri omudi ye ejuma no e wo say ye mo musa anyama no. It is up to you who are who crazy kano. Una obe decide say me was sika bia da ho no mu a metumi edi amamo ana say sika bia ni ho no mu a metumi di amamo.
Robert Adjei, are you for or
all what we all have
allowance?
To admit in say we had bad negotiators from government. And only idea was a menu. Yes, any
Honorable Adjei, bad negotiation.
Yeah.
Are you for or against this neutrality allowance?
Me, I don't have any problem. So far as government adhere to say a idea necessary, I was all the mom. Because abana adhere to. They say I know who can say, yen to me nyashi and found. Kofu sign a contract between Omu and the government. Then I will bet to me I found.
But what do you say necessary?
Well, once I hear to say or minus sikeni honmono, we may tell me say and yet necessary. But I did back one maybe say no say. Yet the any asi cross act for so. There are so many government agencies, ministries, departments. Allowances be one more or more GGR. We have not done any research into them.
That is a
Oh, now yanti evening allowance in friends saying extra time allowance in there are so many allowances people are taking as a result of Jumadi or Muyano. Afina Fair Wages and Salary Commission can say they are now going to investigate those allowances across board. Minya, does it make sense?
No, but the point is, say some of the allowances there, we can do away with them.
We can do away with them, but if you have bad managers of the economy, these things will happen.
At the time I'm more office, we had some of these allowances in place.
Neutrality and
neutrality.
Exactly.
Other allowances were there.
Exactly. Did the public complain?
But you knew, sir, some of them.
Public, complaining.
It is because
why is the public complaining now?
Because Colossag is demanding.
And yet because they are demanding. Because the fee say, "Sa word no more use and your idea." I was say then. Yajitum mani ye. But the question is, because we have bad negotiators in terms of government. Omo mama we nyina aba. Because ene closer for ewo friends omutinefie.
Yeah, they are on strike.
Why are they on strike? Because abaya jia to say sa sika no or the beden. Or the bebo omo san krata ewo ho.
And see if it
is a blame be wo ho no mo we should give the blame to the bad negotiators.
Okay, and yeah, they blame them bad negotiators, you know. If it stays now bind to your mom more NDC, if you come to power, will you cancel it?
Mpacho minye finance minister this year.
No, but the point is, I mean,
your party, party was structure. Okay. Any policy initiative, we derive from a party, that's the head.
But personally, if a Basamon discuss whether you come to power, mobile maintenance and personally,
minya, minim ejuma, negotiating for BB. You best sign card our a bedroom me, the back can say you withdraw Sadia. I've never seen that. We also say aketuya idea. When you agree to take it, it is very difficult to now say you are withdrawing. Uti hanui allowances ni pex awunya as a host of the various shows that you host. So ne management afro na kan you say asempa ade we ayede ma wo no ene ye pese withdraw sa ade na mejafo ukasa kra wo studio radio so no ebesisa ana meboa abesisa you will never be happy. So let's blame the bad negotiators. Okay. Mami can be so Professor Adjei, right? I heard him say certain things during the week on this matter, but I beg to differ. Say your nuanka abain from military and core institutions, now I'm take you over the institutions. We are not in the dictatorial regime. We are in the democracy where rules and regulations are the key drivers of.
No, but he said that for a reason. We
don't expect such language.
No, maybe.
Hold on. We don't expect such language from in Konfua.
Okay. Okay, I must say personally, this comment.
It is totally uncalled for.
And once he's not here, at least you've mentioned it in the past. Yes, I understand.
It is on your media.
I understand it, but
no, maybe one man will say you tolerate it.
Okay,
you can't talk like that.
Martin, may I say?
Sir, ban kofa soja for. No.
And about you lost as a child, but I say me bro, but you joining a high Adom TV, Badwam Mpensenpensemu, any day bro. Me didn't question sampa. Me catch real. So from the camp of the MPP, my guest about definitely may introduce, the Member of Parliament, Achimda constituency in the Eastern region, Honorable Alexander Ampofo-Adjei, Honorable Mwakwaba Bibia Bokodi. Great, yeah, the body has sharp constituency to say.
Oh, constituency the Munimos. And Tawa Kakrebinti, and Tinamity Hay. Still, I quite no airto, and so yeah, no crime ye between Teja, I was a bear party, Juba, until you heard penny for him. Omututu niyama ye ya she achim da fobo so ye ne mpefo so edin sa woso ombete asem de na mo so nyakwan ato maba.
Okay, now mo kwan na say
akwan ni gusu pa so far ufi asamai ba ya just kakrebi ebe kopum across na edem hanti no ufi okọ dan so dia edemu akamanti eguso kakaka ya mi adaru ma ya ji levi atu media ebetima mobilize ska na yetimi aye akwan mo.
That as well. I hope say you here join so maybe effective be our constituency.
There be afide so far if you no anajo be mani yente assembly bia.
Okay. Great time say what buy what say Honorable Adjei or can bad negotiation in fact and then nke ni say ebemu kra and then am go negotiate this whole neutrality allowance.
Many a main fan check can say my have for and then my this year watch him down. Otie edi no aye dia to sa allowance so dia wan hwe ya badwumu be na kakra enya nwanwa se amanfo efiase e ka ho asem na begidi se entia kakra mewo ene nhwemu amaye no ene se prosac for ewo allowances bebrea na nka omo negotiate na wohwe sa allowances no anka omo di hu nkomo ne abaye di hu nkomo no a se ka bo mu a enka omo salary omo je no betimi abo ho be mprensa enti aban ni omo sigina se okay mum yenka ni nyina mum na we a wo bo kani ade na no yempe edin kakra bi nto so na yemfa sa aboyi emma mo as allowance eno no aban team no wonim se saa de omo hihye no ba ku mienu miensa sabe nkaban foforo bi a ebia wedi be fa so ba wagye atum ba ba wie no na wutua sika kese no eno ene kofa we baaye ejidi se aban yi enim agye atum se mmode bo nyinara ejina adwumayefo so aban we aban a sabe enye dwanfunu aban wi ana se president onti labor for ekom anaso musu enti the labor for be ka bia no wode kwa adwinwi mu na one omo atena se ne ebe ya prepare your ebe ya adwuma enti aba aban ehye negotiations no hyase na wo hwe by 20th June January mo no mo sign contract there fi sabre ne bepim sabre na ban ti mo pon se nkobehwe na wo ma pene so no matua ye na ni mo man sikasem obi afensie ye so man sikasem na nya de a atoye esa nyema bebre enu nti aban ne omo nsa wosodie no ekoso ye gidi se strike affecting kofo bebre maybe wo adwuma bia na bi di akire enkofo wo kwan na mo fa so ye nyuma ni bi she akire kakrakra enu na nipa odi madwuma bi achi ama be friend so oh you see put two down on systems nyina just to let the strike bite that hard but aban so ewoti mo pose wagye ato mu nku ade obeye enti aban epinchin dachi wo mo akọ negotiations tiase aye adwuma aban eboa na ho ye gidi se enche omo beti aban nka na fe omo akọ akoto omo nyuma die so fa se ye ba negotiation fa edin mo ni ade ne de yenim say we are keeping faith with labor said ye be ya labor adwuma wo mo ye de aboa aban be ya kwa ye bani ade nyina no aban ne abayofo no mo ahe na hwe oman so nipa dodo na ewo closer is one of the biggest umbrellas inti no say omo no ye yo ana say wo mo ahaw bi ba na say aban amfa na ni anhwe ni ade a you are grinding the system to a halt. Inti no me you bet me aka say aban ye bad negotiation here but say share the details of the negotiation that is the best government could have done.
Well, this is as part of the May Day celebration. You see, I'm one of the publicity coordinators. Kasai almost demanded at least 25% salary increase from government.
But say na ti supeni kase do or die afie ni ade. We know say senia o man ni mo no ayehia fa ni nti no. Sabe wo ye dan ya labor demands be kosoro. Ebi kapo say ye tua yentua money any inflation rate enyepe. That means says ban yere ho na yesikasem ne ehon totoye no etimi gina pen ekoye na say inflation rate ni ade be kofom a enya dia such demands no ebeye that aggressive and say be kosoro. Enti no yes labor for aban shadan so re ngase se na betua. They've always been part of the negotiation team. They know the stance of the government, they know the economy. Omuni momani sika jinabia no money adi. Intino enya di abai ebe share no hosa chinchina to please them no. Ye beti metua 25% a ebi ebe yadi. Nebe do baby ni adi. I'm sure it's one of the topics we're going to discuss. So the president had to force, not force, but to get our ministers money adi no to reduce their salaries by 30%. Adentia ni nyina no signal say so man no yedi ya ye nyina no eboy abosom edigina oman echi and until no yes mo be can say 25%, that is what your demands will be, but at the end of the day no let's situate situation no let's situate the demands no in the right economic systems.
That's Honorable Alexander Kwesiakwa, a member of parliament at Chimda constituency in the Eastern region. Honorable Tetecha, member also already TUC has survey notice indication is do or die. Do you think say Aban Betumi winning this negotiation in their favor when it comes to salary increment or more demand?
We share current inflationary rate now. Na we share ahonchira ewo memu sese no. Workers have every right to demand what will keep the home. Since beya worker na ibe ejuma stress ni nyamanyama embeto no so na oman so productivity no akosoro. say productivity no cost raw, more resources will be harnessed for minor development. And you know, President Kufuor can be, and Sir Assembly President Kufuor can up to today is very relevant. Say aban pretend say or to your workers salaries are workers no so here then pretend say omo here then omo here ejuma. And not to say there is correlation between productivity and emolument. And you know, one thing I was say aban bia yetumi ne say once you pay, I was say we make sure say productivity will also go high. Now, in PMP, you know, or no money challenge, you know. It is sometimes, you know, in the ministries, departments, and agencies, you know, but to a very large extent, you know, attitude to work is very, very poor. You can say, checks, Google, opinion, be table, so I was so clear. That thing can be done within some few minutes. But I bet take it be a month. Person nipa no or penning the signature keke. Since be ya contractors, suppliers, or betumi akoyi omusika. Oh. Sa nyamani nyina no hinda productivity. And you know, yes, as for salary, when it comes to issues of salary, everybody wants the best. And especially, you know, say, you know, system now, there's something ongoing now. I was say in the near future, no, your corrects are imbalances, no, because I said there's a sharp divide between the civil service and then Article 71 office holders, and also creative challenges. I was say you share your constitutional arrangement need to make corrects are imbalances because equal work should attract equal pay. Oh, a people will be more motivated say ombeye ejuma. Nti workers need demanding 25%. Yes, ano or more dream no. Ano na say aban to me ye more. Omo hu ebe hihan mu. Omo ewo economic situation say ye woman no. It is up to government to put in place a competent negotiation team. Because one thing I was saying, when you come to the civil service and a public service, negotiators, you know, they are very experienced people. They've done negotiations all these years. And the team be banner team, you know, yeah, a very incompetent one. At the end of the day, you know, won't bet you. And the government should learn from what they did with Crossack and then go into a new salary negotiation agreement with competent people. At the end of the day, you know, whatever they agreed upon will not offset budgetary arrangements. They say, you know, almost you pay empo, levy, no, although minority, no, I call injanti process, you know, they are going to go ahead. It's workers soon say prior to the discussion on E-levy, you know, almost E-levy, no,
and don't demand that percentage, you know.
Or some market and say it is bringing in so much. For me, to a large extent, you know, it's as a result of Neomaka Ghana for say, Sikano Mubabe Gigi, Efri, Yankasa Yehon.
I want to try with the current economic challenges, who advise a TUC here on at least or more percentage on Beshanikakra. Because someone demand the best from government. Putting yourself in government shoes.
Uko market. Say, Sebi, Uma Ujiri Sika at the co market. Na yedi nyamane ba na u inspect nyamano na u say the quantity a former sika no edema any quantity a u nya sisi ana ubeto hufu They are demanding 25% because they feel say inflation, say is almost edging to 20%. And day in and day out, the hardship, more.
Until you think that I was buying the
No, it is labor. That is they say 25% no more canon. Say omuni aban ekotenasia. There is not going to be that consensus building. Okay. Definitely. Omunya that abrasive. But it depends on how we negotiate.
Okay. Honorable Theophilus Adjei, Greater Accra Regional Secretary at the NDC. Honorable Kwesiakwa, member also. So 25%. Almost siege na buying betting with the current economic condition. Minyini, but a proposal. And a proposal biano, a bar, it's nasi, edi hon komo. Sabe, Osheseni buying any labor, edini ye, in terms of negotiations, any readiness, buying a prayer, unya, war labor issues mu, any choir wa faso ni omotinase. Na yen kai hunu se COVID brimu. Abra na aban bi anasa man bi eyi nkofo edi betina efie wo munti omoka nanso efie mredodo a yete efie nyina no aban pace ka di tu adwumayefo ka aban yi obi edi aban tu obi aka ni ade na se sabri no government no aban no pekwan bi so apagya ne mu yesika semu na yede ahwe man ni nyina menyin ni se labor be so insensitive be ka say wom de 25 no a o maka no sa pepepe na sabe o twi ade a o start fi anim se de be a we negotiate ya beba we understand them yenim say system no mutie but yenim so etiase say aban enya hoden a obetibeti 25% no but they have to start from somewhere it's okay, it's all right, but bigidi say omobe jina aban just say anything aban ni omedi ne yei mmere bi atwemu akono no mate ase say yenye ne preko edidi da ye asidi di preko honorable Kwesiakwa we a businessman meaning say you are always in the market. Yes. So when we say the nyoma bo etie anope obetimi ato bibia nwumre na ebo na sesa enti at least nka ba bi a cluster so fiba
but you see yembisa ye ho sebe productivity any edinye sika any anamso edi etuaka. This is a period that you won't the whole world. Now say you know who article be say era Mampeni dada Jomahama Akoka said the whole world has suffered as a result of COVID.
Yeah.
It's established.
Yes.
Well, but ye kasa sawa bonting na ye befi ne be say aban no and the intimi ensure or minus wa. Now we are being dishonest. Next time, you can't be here. Nipa emfa serious. Because you know, say, I want you woman, and ya Ghana pe, and your mind na Ghana yen so yen ya ma de ko adwaman so near ton near sika. Yen business aban ko yen sika way. Aban say dem sika sao. So nim. It's aban onyen de sika way. It's once adwaman so aye busy basa. Na yen say dem sika. Dodo emfi nyema yeton ho yankasa kra na fe na ye peja ye production mu afi na ye industries ye pese ye peja mu ni ade na nyema ba be sesa enti no ye kofa we he ene de ama enti yes enyema boa de it could even be worse because osha China is beginning to go into lockdown enyema was e ba dodo no ni ade no say o mo shepo nyema dodo a na ma nyema eyefo. And then also because of lockdown, muti shepuni na this anwa. Ebe mabuo no akosoro. Iti nyema buo be kosoro. But ye ntimi nka se enu nti no ye hwe ho ase bibia ba ntimi nye sika mfi no ye nkofa mra. Yi levi ade ba kwa e kan ne se ebe boa ma ye besi a ye bodo akofom. Iti kakra no a ya ebe mobilize no ne ye de ahwe ye ho. Iti no ye minyini se ye betimi ahye aban chinchirichiri na wakofa homa bia se ne konwa ebe akofa besi akese bia ho asem no ye ntimi enka eti minim se eniema bo enye adeketwa but at least we should understand say ye na ye moa na ye rebuild it. That was the theme for our 6th March anniversary independence anniversary ye nyina ye de nkabom build it on mine no baby tete pansam kodu ye any COVID in some bebom ni ade no edu bra was in a kai hobom ni peja.
Honorable Alexander Kwesiakwa, Member of Parliament for Achimdan constituency in the Eastern Region. Few messages about me fanafi yantoaso we say My name is Paula, and I'm watching you live from Medina. These Closac people are really worrying government. For me, I think we've given them the opportunity to have their way. No neutrality allowance for them. Please tell them, Asempa, they should go to bed. Anyway, I thank you. Ernest Watema, I'll say good morning, Asempa, and good morning to your wonderful panelists. In fact, thought-provoking guests you have. They've spoken to the issue. Kudos to them. And this one says, Asempa, I think the workers are over-threatening government. It's about time we let them understand that we're not in normal times. So they should just tone down and relax. Okay. And Michael Ewotechiman, I'll say, Asempa, good morning. Forget about the politicians. Why won't we continue to demand? Look at the way they live. Look at the largesse. Look at the cars they drive. And yet I go to the market and I can only purchase Kobe for me and my family. No, we'll continue to demand. Okay. May that seem a breeze. Kobe.
Kobe is for
Ernest Ewo Wenchi, I'll say good morning, Asempa, and good morning to your panelists. Asemo, but it is well. We know that at the end of the day, the competent MPP in government will be able to do the magic and give them whatever they want. God help us. Okay. And this one says, it's about time we kick this MPP from power. Look at what they've done to Mother Ghana. Suffering, so, babia, aye, pasa. Okay, but that's a bit say also the way they buy. It's also, but they back off for a quick commercial break. Babaka, on the 21st of March this year, and a special cabinet meeting, I'm taking decisions. All government appointees, almost salaries, they be reducing by 30%. The 19th of April, and a letter from the Chief of Staff Office, and they command the various agencies, Controller and Accountant General, any CEOs of state-owned organizations, 30% salaries, a basso. In addition, 50% cut on fuel coupons, and that's where come. It's about to start. The economy, stay tuned. Yeah, bye.